Certainly not. I speak for myself. I've been trespassing in this city and on this planet.
I think you'll find our will equal.
So I was watching some Doctor Strange movies and suddenly my brain gets activated. I've seen this guy on LinkedIn created this amazing augmented reality Doctor Strange thing, so why shouldn't I? So I hopped into Visual Studio Code and imported OpenCV library because that's the most important thing. I've written some code, some more code, a little bit more. Finally, this is finished. Let's run this boy. Enjoy the clip. Sometimes this doesn't work exactly as the movies.
Find our will equal to yours.
So that is it for this video. If you watched this video till the end, that means you definitely like it. So please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more programming and game dev related videos. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.